Hey y'all, this is Tiki from Healthy Living with Tiki. So I'm coming to you with a what I eat in a day. So for breakfast, I'm about to make some eggs, some sausage, and some cinnamon raisin toast. This is gluten-free, low carb, really, really good. I'm just gonna have one slice of that. So let's go ahead and get cooking. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start with some boiling water. So with these sausage, I'm going to boil them before I pan fry them. So I'm just going to boil them real quick, and you can see the water is starting to boil down now. I'm just going to keep that going until the water boils all the way out of the pan. Now that the water has boiled out, I'm going to go ahead and sear the sausage. I've already fried them on one side, so now it's time to flip them over. Alright, so it's time to make the eggs, and I'm going to show you the seasonings as I go. That was garlic powder. I'm adding a little pepper. And I'll just keep showing you what I'm adding as I go along. So I'm going to add some heavy whipping cream to the eggs, and I'm doing the eggs while the sausage is searing on the other side. So the sausage is almost done, so I'm going to go ahead and check on those now. So they are done, so I'm going to go ahead and take those out of the pan. And now we're going to start on the eggs. I'm adding a tablespoon of ghee. And I'm going to let that melt, and then I'm going to add my eggs to the pan and cook those. Now I'm not going to show you the whole process of cooking eggs because I'm sure you know how to cook eggs. But I'm just going to go ahead and get them started. I started cooking with the spatula, the tongs, and then I realized, I was like, oh no, these are plastic. Let me go ahead and get my wooden spoon and cook these with that, so that way my tongs won't melt. So that's when I switched that over, and it's like, okay, now back to cooking my eggs. The sausage that I showed you, the eggs, and the toast. I'm going to add a little bit of the sugar-free Smucker's jelly to it, and I have a cup of blackcurrant tea, sweetened with Splenda. So it's everything that I showed you in the beginning, and I'm about to have my breakfast. I decided not to add any cheese to my eggs today. I just wasn't in the mood. So, all right, time to break my fast and get my day started. So for dinner, I'm starting with my fried cauliflower rice. This was some steamed cauliflower rice that I got from Green Giant that had the peas and the carrots in it. You notice that it doesn't have that many in it. It didn't throw me out of ketosis. With that, I'm also having curry chicken. I'll share the recipe with the curry chicken tomorrow. The video for that will be posted tomorrow. So I hope that you enjoyed that. But this is what I'm having for dinner: some fried cauliflower rice and some curry chicken. It was so good. And then I'll show you in a second what it looks like as I plated it up.